Hey folks, today I want to talk about AI's power move in boosting your SEO hustle. So listen up. We're talking about AI, not some sci-fi flick, real deal stuff. And guess what? It's not for nerds or techies. It's making waves in the SEO ocean. Let's break it down and see how AI can seriously amp up your online presence. Data crunching genius. AI is like the superhero of data, crunching numbers and spotting trends. SEO wizards get real-time insights into user moves, helping them tweak content on the fly and climb those search engine ranks like skyscrapers. Tailored VIP experience. AI is no rookie at understanding folks with natural language processing. It's tailoring user experiences on websites. It's like having a personal concierge, suggesting content, recommending products, making every visitor feel like a VIP. Say goodbye to generic hello to engage users. Content game is strong. Content's the king in SEO, and AI's got the keys to the kingdom. It wipes up human-like text and fine-tunes existing content for SEO gold. Your content's not just talking, it's walking the search engine friendly walk, thanks to AI's keen eye for optimization. Talking back to Siri. Everyone chatting up Siri and Alexa and voice search is where it's at. AI makes your site speak that natural language, understanding how people ask questions. Time to get on that voice search wave, my friend. Techie SEO tasks are a piece of cake with AI. It automates crawling, spots issues, and optimizes your site's performance. Links, duplicate content, slow loading times. AI's got your back, my friend, like a trusty Brooklyn buddy. Price wars and spy games. For all you online store hustlers, AI is your secret weapon. It spies on competitors, sniffs out market trends, and helps you set prices dynamically. Stay ahead in the game and attract more traffic with smart pricing moves. So there you have it. In a nutshell, AI ain't just a buzzword. It's a Bronx cheer to the SEO game. So strap in, embrace the tech, and watch your SEO hustle reach a skyscraper heights. Until next time, have a good one.